Hello guys, welcome to the channel. So our today's topic is Ensemble Learning. So what is Ensemble Learning? Ensemble Learning means combining multiple machine learning models to make one stronger model. Think it like this. One student is solving a question, okay? Then higher probability he can make mistakes, okay? Now 10 students will solve the same question, okay? Then what will happen? Majority answer is usually more accurate, okay? So similarly, when you will make prediction by only one model, then it may give weak prediction, right? So we will basically combine multiple models to for our better prediction. So this technique is called ensemble learning. Okay. So that is what ensemble learning is. This basically combines multiple machine learning models to make one stronger model. Okay. So there are some types of ensemble learning. First one is voting methods. Voting methods are techniques used in ensemble learning to combine predictions from multiple machine learning models and produce a single final prediction. Okay. So the basic idea is behind voting methods is instead of relying on one model, we make predictions from multiple models and combine them to make a better decision. Okay. So voting methods are commonly used when several models are trained on the same data set. Okay. So that is what voting methods. Okay. It will take predictions from multiple models. It will combine them and will make a perfect decision. Okay. So these are some types of voting methods: hard voting, soft voting, and average voting. We will discuss this types and voting methods in depth. I'm just giving overview of the types of ensemble learning. We will discuss one by one of its types in depth in both way, practically and theoretically. So don't worry, I'm just giving overview of it. Okay. So second one is bagging. Bagging, the idea behind bagging is train many models in parallel and combine their results. Okay. So understand its process. Step one, create multiple random data sets from original data set. Means you will have a original data set and it will create multiple random data sets from that original data set. Then second step is train one model each data set. I have multiple random data sets from my original data set. Now I will train one model in on each data set. Each data set. Okay. Now step three, take majority voting for classification problem and take average for regression problem. Okay. So the most famous bagging algorithm is random forest. Second one is itself bagging. So the most famous is random forest. Okay, its base estimator is decision trees. It creates many decision trees and then it combines them. Okay, the third one is boosting. So idea behind boosting is it trains models one after another sequentially. Each new model focuses on mistakes made by the previous models. Okay, that is what the working of boosting. Let's understand its working. So we took model one. It make predictions, but gives some wrong predictions. Okay. Then model two focuses on the wrong predictions. Then third one again focus on remaining mistakes, right? Then it will give the final prediction. Okay. So that's how boosting works. And the most popular boosting algorithm is XGBoost because it gives high accuracy and it basically handles missing value by itself. Okay. So that's all about ensemble learning and its types. We will discuss different types of ensemble learning in the next video, how we can perform them, how we can do them practically. So we will discuss those types in the next video. So thank you.